Have you ever sat in a JEE mathematics class where a teacher is explaining a question? Everyone around you seems to understand it. They are nodding confidently. And you are also nodding, not because you understand, but because you do not want to look confused. Then you go back home, open your assignment, try the very first question. And after 30 or 40 minutes of your effort, you realize you have solved hardly 5 questions. And that moment, one thought hits hard. Am I really bad at mathematics or I am missing on something that no one ever told me? Math is not hard. Your method is. For most aspirants, math has become one of the biggest fear. But here's the truth. Math is not the problem. It is your preparation problem. It is about how you study, how you practice, and how consistently you follow the right process. And to help you with that, I have broken the entire preparation into 5 clear steps. Step 1, building the right mindset and focus. Mathematics is deeply connected to your mental state. Today, most students are mentally exhausted even before they start studying. The moment they wake up, they scroll reel, dopamine spike, attention span drop, and then they expect themselves to sit with calculus for hours. That never works. To get good in maths, you must be able to enter a flow state. Flow state means complete focus, no distraction, no multitasking, just you struggling with questions. Another important change is focusing on visual learning instead of memorizing formulas. Once your focus and mindset are in place, the next step is how you actually learn mathematics. That becomes a step 2, active learning over passive teaching. One of the biggest mistakes students make is over reliance on teachers. Teachers are important. They guide you, explain concept, and warn you about common mistakes. But mathematics cannot be transferred from one brain to another. Real understanding is built only when you sit alone with a book and struggle with questions. Watching lectures without solving problems gives false confidence. The real learning happens when you attempt questions, make mistakes, and fix them yourself. Once you understand this, the next question becomes practical. How exactly should you cover JEE Mains mathematics in a structured way? And that becomes our step 3, cover the syllabus strategically. The best way to start is by building a momentum. Do not begin with the toughest chapter like advanced calculus or complex numbers. Start with easier but scoring chapters that frequently appear in JEE Mains. Chapters like sets and relations, quadratic equation, sequence and series, straight line, statics, probability, and basic vectors are ideal starting point. These chapters are conceptually lighter, question patterns also repeat, and most questions are direct. Finishing them quickly builds confidence. When momentum is built, move to medium level chapters like limit, continuity, differentiation, applications of derivative, matrices, determinants, and basic integration. There is no need to jump to very hard problems immediately. Calculus carries the highest weightage, but it becomes difficult only when prerequisites are weak. Before starting integration or differentiation equation, revise limits, differentiation rules, algebraic manipulations, and functions properly. Spending time on prerequisite save confusion later. Category-wise weightage of topic is shown on the screen. Take a screenshot and use it to prioritize your preparation smartly. Now let's move forward to our next step, practice strategy, resources and tools. Previous year questions should be your primary practice material. For JEE Mains, solving the last 5 to 7 years of PYQs chapter wise is more than enough. These questions will clearly show you what comes in exam and what depth is required. And using AI tools for your preparation will help you improve efficiency. For example, if you are stuck in a concept or a step, tools like ChatGPT can explain solutions step by step or simplify ideas in plain language. Other important tools can be Notebook LM, NoteGPT, Anki Tool, and Napkin AI. These tools help you learn smarter by summarizing content, visualizing concept, and strengthening revision through active recall. Choosing the right book also matters. You do not need multiple books. NCRT is extremely useful for algebra, probability, statistics, and basic calculus. Along with NCRT, one good J level book like Cengage, Arihant by S.K. Goyal, or a reliable coaching module is more than enough. The goal is not collecting book, but extracting maximum value from one resource. And now let's move to a final step, that is about mock test, revision, and exam temperament. As preparation progresses, start giving topic-wise tests and then full-length mock test. Math in the exam is not just about solving questions, but selecting the right ones. Some questions take less time while others waste time. This decision-making skill develops only through time practice. In the final phase, revision becomes more important than learning new topics. Strengthening completed chapters, reduce silly mistakes, revise formulas, solve short practice sets, and analyze mocks. Mathematics improves through refinement, not overload. One often ignored factor is exam timing. Once your exam slot is known, practice mock during the same time window. And remember, this preparation is not just for JEE. It trains you to think logically, break complex problems into a simpler part, and approach challenges systematically. Skills that stay valuable long after exam is over. And even if you're not able to crack JEE, remember this, your engineering career does not end there. They are an institute that focuses on building real world skills, innovation, and entrepreneurship beyond just entrance exam. I'm talking about IntelliPath School of Technology, IST. This is an institute has been commended by Ved Tiwari, CEO of National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India. But what makes IST truly unique? Instead of just producing engineers, IST focuses on building innovators, entrepreneurs, and tech product creators. And it does not stop there. IST provides hands-on training on scaling your product into a startup through Innovation Hub. Beyond academics, IST offers incredible opportunities like participation in International Tech Summit in Dubai and Singapore, visiting Man Company's campuses to see how tech firms operate, and even earning a minor degree from an IIT. IST has multiple campuses across Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, and more. And students receive a BTech degree through IST partnered university. To get into IST, you need to clear the IST entrance test followed by a personal interview. The website link is given in the description. Go check it out now and apply today for the unique opportunity. And all the best for your preparation. And I will see you in the next one.